So, yeah, just playing Animal Jam. And I made little Santa guy! And I just love Santa hats. As you can see, because I got like, was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Santa hats and I have one scarf, but still I have little elf shoes and so cute. And my friend was just on still, but she just left because she's gonna go. And we were just being Santas together. I gave her that hat. I'm so nice. I gave it to her, and she gave me the scarf. And yeah, so yeah. I'm gonna go customize my Santa, my new Santa. I'll show you. Okay. I better have it. No, I'm joking. Yay! Panda, I'm gonna call him Crunchy. Oh, no. I'm just gonna call him Crunchy. Oh no. Oh, fabulous. Oh, that's right. Fabulous from there. Beast. Yeah. And I don't want that. The General from Beast. Gorgeous from Beast. Grand. Oh, incredible. King Knight. I don't know. Lieutenant from Beast. I don't know how I like that. Yeah, I like that. No, Santa, come look at me. In a second, I'm doing a video. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Let me do my new Santa. Yeah, black Santa, white Santa, yellow, cuddly, waddling, feeling. Yeah, oh my God, he's so cute. Santa, Santa Claus. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's so cute. Oh my God. That's why I love it. I love that. I love that. Oh my God. Was this good? What's that? No. Exactly if it does look good thing, because I can always cute. Panda, Santa, this! Right now I'm gonna be this because I already like it. Put my nails on dentures. Then I must go. Yeah. So. Yeah. Just doing this vid. Oh yeah, and I have lost them bears, but I might as well show you them now soon. Nothing to do, so then